When people hear that someone made $14,000 in a month with affiliate marketing, the first thing they usually assume is luck. The second thing they assume is that there must be some hidden trick or secret strategy involved. In reality, neither of those assumptions are true. What changed for me was not a new platform, a new product, or a new tool. What changed was how I approached the process. Affiliate marketing stopped working for me when I treated it like a shortcut. It started working when I treated it like a communication skill. Most people focus on links. They focus on dashboards, commissions, and screenshots. But links don't create income. Understanding creates income. When people understand what you're explaining, they trust you. And when trust is present, results follow naturally. The biggest shift I made was focusing on education instead of persuasion. I stopped trying to convince people to buy anything. Instead, I focused on explaining how affiliate marketing works, why ClickBank exists, and why most beginners fail before they ever see results. People online are overwhelmed. They've watched too many videos promising fast money with zero effort. That creates skepticism. When you remove hype and speak calmly and honestly, you immediately stand out. Another important change was consistency. Not motivational consistency, but boring consistency. Posting even when views were low. Posting even when engagement was minimal. Most people quit during this phase because they assume nothing is working. In reality, they're still building the foundation. Affiliate marketing is cumulative. One video rarely changes everything, but 10 videos start to create momentum. 50 videos create authority. 100 videos create predictability. I also simplified my message. Instead of trying to explain everything at once, I focused on one idea per video. One lesson, one mistake, one insight. Simplicity improves retention, and retention improves results. Another mistake I corrected was overcomplicating my setup. Early on, I tried to build funnels, email sequences, and advanced systems before I even understood my audience. That slowed everything down. When I simplified to one platform, one offer, and one link, things started to move faster. Less friction leads to more action. I also adjusted my expectations. $14,000 in 1 month didn't happen randomly. It came after months of content that didn't perform well. People only see the result, not the process. Affiliate marketing rewards people who stay consistent long enough for compounding to take effect. Every piece of content builds on the last one. Most importantly, I stopped chasing validation. Views don't equal income. Subscribers don't equal income. Understanding your audience equals income. When people feel like you're explaining something clearly instead of selling them something aggressively, they pay attention. That attention turns into clicks. Clicks turn into sales. $14,000 wasn't the result of one big decision. It was the result of many small decisions made consistently over time. That's how affiliate marketing actually scales. Follow and subscribe for more side hustle ideas. If you are in need to generate income today, go to www.kill9to5.com.